Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding mattresses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the folding memory foam mattress. When you have unexpected guests at night, you make sure they have a relaxing stay. There is no need to change the sleeping area or run to the stores to buy something suitable when you have the above folding mattress. It offers maximum support to free the body from pains, discomforts, fatigue, and others, thanks to the memory foam. Also, the foam is soft and conforms to the body shape for a tender and pain-free service. Still, on comfort, it uses an advanced compressed mechanism to fit even in the minimal spaces for simple carry and travels. Complete with supportive memory foam topper, getting a soothing and non-irritant sleeping is a possibility. This accessory not only looks but feels good, that doubles up as temporary sleeping accommodation. Use it after long trips on campsites, dorm rooms, RVs, and overnight guests. Moreover, the supplied removable cover is strong enough to withstand constant use, while the zip gives you easier access. Boasting of a compact and portable design, it does not take up too much room, especially in small space houses. Car trips and travels are made better, thanks to the 4-inch thickness and sturdy construction. Besides, you can use this item as frequently as you want because of the quality craftsmanship. No threads are hanging out or unfinished knotting to enhance durability. Moving on, at number 4, we have the memory foam Trifold mattress. The LifeSmart sleeping pad acts as a temporary sleeping accommodation, perfect for family reunions, camping, unexpected sleepover guests, or a person going to stay in an apartment or dorm room. You can have a relaxing night's sleep on the move or at home with the foldable mechanism. Unfold the sleeping pad on the surface of a mobile home, dorm, apartment, RV, or tent to get instant relaxation. Also, it accommodates most sleeping needs, and after use, fold it down to store in seconds. This unit is expertly made from long-lasting memory foam, which is better quality than the use of an airbed. Not only to provide maximum strength but also extended use. Known for its comfortable support and therapeutic qualities, the foam molds to the body contours as well as allow excellent airflow due to its venting system. Constructed from 1.5 inches thick of 3-pound memory foam over a luxurious 4.5-inch supportive base, this Trifold mattress gives you an excellent sleep experience. Plus, the certified memory foam surpasses the rest in the market with superior construction that does not lose shape. You can take your folding mattress easily on the go with the sturdy carrying strap. Haul it around your bag or a storage compartment for smoother portability. It also comes with a removable, ultra-soft cover made from premium bamboo that offers a tear-resistant service. The case has an anti-slip bottom, to give you easy cleaning when the need arises. At number 3, we have the Queen Folding Mattress Topper. The above mattress delivers a comfortable and relaxing night's sleep than the rest with a similar price. You get to spend your money in a worthy investment and at the same get a pain-free experience. With an innovative trifold construction, you have a quick folding. No more carrying of large bags every time you are on the move or want to store when not in use. Made with 2.5-inch high-density foam and 1.5-inch memory foam, add support and comfort. You can relax for an extended time without experiencing any discomfort and also do numerous activities on the mat, such as reading, sitting, lounging, and napping. The slip-proof bottom ensures you have a safe and steady sleeping on most surfaces, even the smooth floors. Its portable design uses minimal floor space, perfect for camping, RVs, dorms, apartments, studio rooms, and other places to accommodate overnight guests and sleepovers. The versatility of this sleeping pad makes it reliable and a must-have in most households. Additionally, it comes with a washable polyester mesh case with quality zipper to protect the mattress from external elements like dust, dirt, leaves, and more. The zipper lets you remove the cover to make cleaning a breeze. Throw the casing into the washing machine using a gentle cycle for best results. This camping bed has a 4-inch thickness to prevent pokes caused by uneven grounds. At number 2, we have the Trifold Foam Folding Mattress. If you are tired of using camping mattresses that are hard to clean, it is time to switch with the above one. It has a quality-made zippered cover that allows simple removal in seconds. Plus, it is machine washable as you pop into the washer and dryer to maintain its original shape. The case does not fade, discolor, shrink, or expand even after extended use to add the much-needed convenience. This sleeping cot is multi-purpose to use as a floor mat, a spare bed, a training mat for yoga, Pilates, and other floor exercises. Also, children in your household can play on it for all the indoor games as they interact and concentrate on the activity. At night or when you are winding off from a long day, fold it into a comfortable seat, couch, or makeshift sofa. Some people have pains or sore muscles brought about by poor sleeping areas or positions. The Coatsy Trifold pad is constructed from quality foam to offer therapeutic benefits. It is super firm and comfortable to let you enjoy a good night's sleep. There is no need to postpone your travels because of worries about sleeping places. This accessory is lightweight and portable to improve your traveling experience. Also, it fits easily in a bag as you run to the gym or an impromptu weekend getaway. And finally at number 1, we have the Trifold Foam Folding Mattress. We love this folding mattress from Milliard because of its ergonomic features. It has a lovely finish with a subtle color that complements its surroundings. You can also match it with your floor exercise gear such as shorts, vest, and shirt. It has a modern structure that doubles up as a sleeping bay when a bed or full-size sofa is not an option. The construction is excellent for reading a book, video gaming, sleeping, or camping. Wash the removable cover made of quality material to improve the atmosphere of the sleeping environment. Unfolding requires minimal effort within seconds. No lengthy process, expert skills, or other inconveniences that consume a lot of time. Use it on the move as an alternative take along with a mattress for travel, camping trips, plus more. If you have guests for the night, no worries, simply unfold this mattress to host them in a comfortable, safe, and steady spot. No need to run to the stores or change the sleeping positions which inconveniences the occupants in your household. This unit is ideal for use in small spaces such as a college dorm, RV, apartment, camping, and studio room as a sleeping mat, temporary bed, movie-watching couch for a comfortable alternative to the air mattresses. This product does not sag and is lightweight, made with high-density foam for indoor and outdoor use. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.